Passing around workflow IDs sometimes is not what we want to have in our system. It would be nice to know the workflow ID beforehand. For example, we can say that within the system, all our buy crypto for fiat workflows have some common prefix and then comes a unique ID. Let's change the command that starts our workflow. We define an argument, name ID, it is required, and it is a workflow ID. Then here, when we create a new workflow, we can provide workflow options and with workflow ID. Let's say buy crypto for fiat and ID that we provided as an argument. Okay, then when we start the workflow, now we can do this. Start the command and provide an ID. Let's say 123. And here is our workflow. Then we can change the webhook and accept this ID. When we grab a running workflow, provide our prefix, buy crypto for fiat, and ID from the request. Let's see if it works. And yes, the workflow was retrieved. We called query method to get a payment ID from it, and then we confirmed this payment. As you can see, the workflow is done. So if you want to start a workflow with an already predefined ID, use workflow options when you create a new workflow.